Hi folks, I have this image here, Command 0 to make it fit, or Control 0, and I'm not happy with how the fabric is here because it's just the way the stretch is, but I'd like it to look a little bit tighter. I mean, there's tidy up to be done here as well, but independent of that, this is just something that can be done here. So I could liquefy it, but I think that the pen tool is a better option here. A lot of people don't use the pen tool, and I've done a bit of training on it. I would not call myself a pen tool expert. However, there are some stuff I can do, or things I can't do, which I'm going to show you here. So P for pen tool, or just click on the pen tool option. So the first trick is we need to make sure that we match up exactly at the start. So we need to have the line kind of here, and then you click, and then you don't let go, right? This is the trick to getting it started. You drag, right? So I'm going to drag along here. So it's kind of matching the line of where I roughly want my curve to be. It's along there. And then the second part of my curve, I want to be kind of along the leg here. So I'm just going to click into there. Right, and now I can start to drag, and I can start to create the shape that I want with it. Okay. Now, so I can let go here, and then if I hold down the Option or Alt key, I can move this one separately from the second one. So I'm going to start to pull this in to create the shape I want. So where do I want it to go exactly? Well, I don't want to go in that close to the hand, do I? Oop. So Option or Alt key, I'm just making sure I actually grab that handle. So we can create the shape we want with it here. So kind of following along the leg and the bump. But at the same time, you don't want it to look super unnatural as well, so it's probably more likely to be down there a little bit. So now I'm going to click another spot down here. Well, I've kind of gone there, so I need to click the other spot so I can actually create a shape for the leg. So I'm going to come back to that in a second and zoomed in. So I want a little kind of a bit of a curve on this. So that's this one here. So make sure I again hold on the option. So I just wanted to follow along the curved line here. So if I go to erase it, it looks okay. I might even hold the Command or Control key to kind of get a little bit more shape on this. So this could actually come up along here a little bit. And just get a little bit of a kind of a curve on here. And this one here as well. That's actually for the output one, which will be there when we get that far. Okay, I'm happy with that. So now, I still think that this curve here isn't 100%. So let me so I'm just trying to shape it the way I want to get the shape so that it looks kind of natural. I think that should do it okay. And then this one affects it as well, obviously. So, alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to complete this curve here by clicking these, and by clicking the initial spot, it wraps it around. So the next thing is I've got a path. If I right click, I can go down, I can go make selection. I'm going to go for 1 pixel just so it's not completely hard. I press B for brush. Then I Option or Alt click in here to pull the color. And then I just paint. Right, and that creates the shape. And so because I've used the 1 pixel radius, if I do Command D or Control D to get rid of it, you see that it's still got a soft enough edge so that it looks like it's natural. Okay, so I've created that curve there, which looks a little bit better. Alright, so I'm happy with that curve. Again, I could do it here with the pen as well and get rid of some of this if I wanted to have the hang slightly different. So that is just a quick look at some stuff that you can do with the pen tool.